In the heart of East Africa lies a city that never stops moving, Kampala, the pulse of Uganda. A place where chaos meets creativity, and every street tells a story of resilience, ambition, and change. But something extraordinary is happening here, a transformation that is redefining what it means to move, to connect, and to grow. From the crowded downtown streets to the rising bridges of the Kampala Flyover project, Uganda's capital is engineering its own future, one beat, one lane, one dream at a time. This is not just about concrete and steel. It's about vision, the vision of a cleaner, faster, and smarter Kampala. So join me as we journey through the city's evolution, where the old meets the new, and the future takes shape above the very streets that build it. This is Kampala Rising. Hey, I'm Okello Enock. Hit the word subscribe, like button, comment, and stay in this channel for greater and wonderful adventures like never before. I want to welcome you to another special video in Kampala City. Today we are going to go to the flyover, the $200 million mega flyover, which has the first phase already complete, and the flyover is supposed to move from the Queensway to Wampio Avenue. I'm right here at Kampala Road. If you look at this other side, this is like the city square, and then our journey will be to go to this side of Kampala Road. I am still joined by Kasim, Ancient Club. Yes, nice meeting you, Kasim, again.
Yes, bro. Yet again, we are back on Okello Enock 2 to give you more parts of Kampala downtown. Today, we are going to move them around Kampala Flyover.
Yeah.
Yes. So, we are going to move here around Kampala Flyover, first phase, which is already completed. We are now waiting for the second phase of the Kampala Flyover to start. Please tune in to the channel, subscribe to the channel, do drop a comment, share the video. That's how you're promoting us. Let's go.
All right, guys, so let our journey start. And then we head down to the flyover, show you the phase which is already complete, and also give you the view of Kampala City from the flyover, which is very, very nice at the moment because the flyover has purely changed the way the city looks like. So, all right, guys, the journey is on, being in Middletown, and hopefully we'll be able to, to arrive in time. But it's a great road. This is Kampala Road, one of the busiest and the biggest roads in Kampala City, as you may happen to see all around here. Okay. All right, guys, this side is, you know, as Uganda is moving into a smart city like Kampala, we have got advancements, and then now we have got like electric cars, and this is where the charging system for these electric vehicles is right here. So more of it will be coming when we come back for a full video here and be able to show you the full vibe of this place. But this is really great kind of development that is taking shape in the city. Okay. So down takes you to downtown, and then we're still staying on Kampala Road, and shortly we should be able to branch off to the flyover. Not so far from here. It's quite very near. Yeah, I mean, guys, around the city you find there's some kind of renovation taking place. From the other side you have Church House, Bank of Baroda. Still here at Kampala Road, which is the main road here in Kampala City. Well developed, connects you to Jinja Road that takes you to the eastern side of Uganda. Yeah, so I was able to support this guy. I bought glass from him. I always like supporting people who sell stuffs on the street. It's a pleasure. Yeah. So,
you know these scenes, like that scene we just had.
Yeah.
Those are the shots that make the video.
Yeah, very important. Yeah, exactly. Yeah. So, which street is this here, Kasim?
This is Entebbe Road.
Okay.
Actually, the famous Entebbe Road starts from right here.
Oh.
Yeah, it starts off Kampala Road and then goes up to Entebbe.
And I think it's even important, we could take this street, I think, because the flyover was purposely made to help to decongest the town.
Yes.
And the biggest traffic was coming from Entebbe Road.
That's right.
Yeah.
Because now the Kampala Flyover project, the biggest road that is crossing through the flyover is Kampala Entebbe Road.
Yes.
This very road, which gets off Kampala Road.
Oh.
Yeah. So this is the very point why the flyover was constructed.
Exactly. So we take off here?
Yeah, we should cross and go to the other side.
Okay.
We cross from there, maybe.
We cross from this side where we have zebra crossing? Yeah. Welcome to Kampala, guys. It's very important that, you know, we connect with humans and connect with people. Hello, how are you? Good. Oh yeah. Are we safe here? How are you? Good. Yeah. Okay, so let's cross this road. This side you can find Victoria University and other important services. It's quite dangerous crossing the road, but we have nothing to do than to keep doing what we're supposed to do. Yeah. Suits Avenue, one of the famous kind of places to find suits. Yeah. Hello. How are you? Yeah, yes.
Introduce yourself.
Introduce yourself.
You.
You are the one to introduce yourself.
Yeah.
Yes. Hey, very good.
That is just a nickname. Yeah, nickname. Kamanasi.
So, where is your stage?
My stage?
Yes.
I'm Lodi Mayor Elias Lukwago. Yeah, I'm Lodi Mayor Elias Lukwago.
Yes.
Now, what are you doing?
We are showcasing the beauty of Kampala.
Which country are you from?
We are from Uganda.
Which district? Which region?
We are from Kampala.
Which side? Where is your origin? Where you born? Where is your grandmother? What? Because I need to know. Maybe when you this camera, when you do, because when you photo me, you know,
yes,
you can sell my video. What now? What are you doing?
You are very right.
Yes.
Let him tell you.
I like Peter for being very honest.
Yeah.
So Peter, do you have like a social media app, like maybe that I can send you the video later and you're able to see yourself? You may like what you're going to see about yourself.
So far right now, I'm not in Sheba. I'm still in Cindy.
Yeah.
Yeah.
You don't have a smartphone, that's what you meant?
No, you remember the battle that was between Sheba and Cindy?
Yeah.
Yeah, so Cindy was for analog.
Nokia,
yes.
Sheba Samsung.
Yeah, Sheba Samsung, yeah.
Okay.
He's a very stubborn guy.
That's why you see that.
Hey.
This one.
Yes.
You just eat leaves only and you leave. Muliako makola.
Hey, Muliako makola. And then you leave.
Yeah.
Okay,
Yeah.
Mr. Kamanas.
All right, thanks a lot for your time. You're a very good guy.
Soda for 1,000. You're smart, me. I'm not bad. I request I'm not just working, because I make it funny.
Yes.
Thank you.
I might have a coin. If I find a note of 1,000, I'll give you.
Even 50,000.
No way.
Now, why do you want to give me condolence when I'm
no.
gone?
All the money that I have is this. So let me give you 1,000.
Yeah. You know, in Jamaica they say, "Awunyam let them just get them sit there."
Yeah.
Thank you, brother. May God give you back. Awunyam let them chicken they sit there.
I feel that boy. One love.
My brother, you give me your business card. You never know. I may get some smartphone.
Yeah.
That's all it is for me here.
Yeah.
Those things of comedy overdo.
Yes.
You don't have someone can inspire.
Yes.
I didn't move with a business card. I just wanted to give you something.
Maximum respect.
Yeah, just check our channels. This channel is called Okello Enock.
Okello from where?
Yeah. Okello lives in Kampala now. Yeah, Okello from Teso.
Yeah.
Oh, you see now?
I body butorijo. Pingire mami nera serere engolo bugondo serere ne pene. Yeah, that's the same district. Aha, bugondo. Dijendo kwa nejo ngina. Yalama. Yalama. Yeah, just as some abora video na content. Yeah, that guy can all go.
Even if you go to KBS,
yeah,
if the channel landlord,
yes, yes,
Nigeria girl,
yes,
I tried it.
yes.
Why don't you go back? But I have some money.
Yeah. You know, it says is good at comedy and skits.
Oh.
He's even participated in some comedy that is in KBS TV.
Oh.
Yeah. Yes. Mamekoto bakrona koko Mamashi, yalama no ipita. Okello. Okello George Enock. YouTube kera iduma njone. Okay, yalama. Okay, thank you. This is a design for weddings. Wow, this is great, guys. This is really great here. Awesome. Yeah. That is beautiful. So weddings in this country tend to be very expensive. Guys really injected a lot of money, you know, trying to get the best of the wedding. And what you've seen is a glimpse of such luxurious weddings in the country. So on my left, we shall have a university called Isibat, and it's also the area where we have the station for the railway. Then on our right, we're going to have a road to the famous Owino market, and it's quite a busy area. This place has been improved. If you look at the road here is really very okay, well improved now, and it's very, very nice. I think I should commend the development which is taking shape in this particular area. Very great. It
is now like 5 years.
Okay, so the other one is NSSF house, right?
Yeah.
Okay. I think you can keep down. All right, fam, so we're still walking down, you know, trying to get over to the Kampala Flyover project. So, all right, this side we have the famous NASA Road, where you see this big truck coming from. And then for the other side, you've got Nkrumah Road is this one here. It's also quite a big street where you have the Freedom Building, the Casino Kampala, and takes you also to the other side of Kampala Road, which is leading to Jinja. And then this other side, we have the heart of Kampala is this side. So, and then for this other area, we have got the Market Street. So this is the journey we're going to take down, and I hope we'll be able to move freely. Of course, sometimes the security tends to stop us, but we are not doing anything bad for the country. All we are saying is this is Uganda, and this is Kampala, which happens to be the city or the capital city of Uganda. This city, with the recent statistics, has got about 2 million now in estimate for population, and is a city that never sleeps. It's a city that keeps moving. There's a lot of business taking place in this area. If you're a person who loves engaging with people, there are many people here to engage with in this city. Yeah, this is Eastbat University on this end. Yeah. So we are trekking down to the flyover. A great journey to the flyover. Yeah, I mean the road is complete now. Used to be not complete for some time, but it's really complete for now. Very, very complete, and still very risky, I would say, to walk down here. But it's very safe for a person like me, who is used to moving on street, getting content, and trying to make sure that a lot of people are able to see the beauty of this area here. Okay. The public toilets are here, so you don't have to struggle if you want to ease yourself. Enter the road. We are already a few meters away from the flyover. Let me see you right there. So the flyover starts from here. I think we go. From this side you have got the city. The city area is this side. This is another Hindu church right up this side. And the other side you've got the biggest, the famous Gaddafi Mosque right there. That's the minaret which is up. And we came from this side, so let's take a tour, walk around and see. Hello, how are you? How are you? Good. Yeah, so from this side we have the Queen's Way, which I'm going to closely move and be able to show you. Yeah, but just to remind you, this is a pedestrian walkway that we are in for now. We have another pedestrian walkway the other side, and then we find the heart of this flyover. A project that was rolled out or started in December 2018 and was projected to get done in December 2022, which could not happen in 2022 because of COVID. It affected the project. However, the first phase is fully functional and complete right now. You can see the great impact it's creating in the community and how it is transformed the city of Kampala. This project has really transformed the city of Kampala. Well transformed, and it's now a city like never before. Yeah, worth it for you to, when you come to Uganda, when you come to Kampala, you need to be able to check it out. A project like this is playing a key role in creating order and decongesting town. And if we could have more of these projects, I would really appreciate if this video reaches to the government official. Remember, we need more of these projects. On my background, this side is the famous Kampala Flyover project, which is the biggest flyover in Uganda and also in Kampala city. From this side you've got Ben Chiwanuka Street that takes you to the side of downtown, and then the other side you've got Nachivubo Street, which takes you to Nachivubo Stadium. And then we apparently have the biggest Hindu church, this one here. So the $200 million project starts from here, and we are going to move closely to be able to look at the pedestrian walkway and then also move to the center or to Queen's Way. Welcome to this bigger, great project. It's a special achievement in the country. This project, yes sir. Now, this is the clock tower on this end. Oh. That side goes to Busabala, Chibuye and Entebbe. This is the clock tower. So this is a very big project. A project that it was actually started in December 2018. And it was estimated that it would get done in 2022. But I think COVID affected. This is one thing here. It's kind of no control. You run anywhere on the bike.
Mango. This is the only thing left. What's that?
Yeah, quite a vicious area of the flyover. So there's a down shot, but also we can climb up. So this side you have the cars passing down, and then here is fully the pedestrians. which are guarded. These things can shield them and keep them away, or keep the cars away from crossing. Of course, we've got some vendors around, people selling.